Hello, welcome to the beautiful seaside port town of Oban. Hello, welcome to the beautiful seaside port town of Oban.
We went to Mull from here yesterday, didn't we?
Yes,
so
you can grab a ferry and it's a 45-minute journey, and there's other places too, but I'm not switched on to what.
No. There's all sorts of things here, isn't there? There's like shark watching, there's even swimming with sharks.
Swimming with sharks.
Yeah, I've got your name down for that.
It's a traditional Victorian seaside resort town. It's very popular, and you can see why it is, because it's really pretty and there's some nice tourist shops. It's very laid back.
It's a weird mix, isn't it? Because you'll go along the street and it's like Boots, Superdrug, and then the next shop is a souvenir shop, and then you'll be back to normal ones. But,
it's lovely.
Yeah.
So it's well worth a stop on your
Certainly.
Highland tour. Oban, meaning little bay in Gaelic, forms a perfect horseshoe full of fishing boats and ferries. The town built up around a distillery, and a rail link finally arrived in 1880, bringing a wave of tourism and prosperity.
Oban is considered the gateway to the Hebrides Islands and is just a ferry ride away from Kerrera, Lismore, Mull, Iona and Coll.
We enjoyed exploring a lovely range of tourist shops with a good quality of merchandise, and stumbled across a delightful artist collective. So just down from the railway station in Oban, there's an artist collective shop behind me, and I've got a beautiful love heart necklace, and it's got all sorts of lovely things in there, so be sure to check it out.
We found an ice cream shop which lured us in with talk of gelato.
So what do you think?
It's nice. It's a bit weak. I'd say it's watered down a little bit.
Yeah?
Not very rich. Not
No.
Gelato.
No, mine's not
And
too.
the service was sort of Saturday staff. A bit confused.
It was very confused, wasn't it?
Where are we? What are we serving? I'm not quite sure.
Yeah, they sort of took the money, and then you sort of they didn't make it clear what you had to do, did they? Oh well.
Sorry, can't talk to Brazil. So Dan, I finished my ice cream now.
You have?
I was a bit busy there.
I know.
What flavours did you get?
I went for chocolate, and I think the other one's butterscotch.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure. Because, quite honestly, they don't really taste of anything, either of them.
No, I closed my eyes and I was
They end up running down your...
Yeah, it's really running
your arm
away, and
very
it's about
quickly.
16 degrees out here, so yeah, there's something going on there. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're really desperate for an ice cream.
I wouldn't either.
No, because it wasn't cheap, was it? How much was it?
It was £2.80 for single and £3.80 for double.
Oh, there we go. They like robbery, really.
It's really...
It always is, though, isn't it, of ice cream?
Yeah, yeah.
We spent a blissfully lazy day in Oban, taking a stroll along the promenade and enjoying the view from our perfectly placed Oban apartment. Vlog to follow. If you are feeling more energetic, there are plenty of boat trips, distillery tours and walks to keep you entertained. It's so exciting to be at the start of a road trip around Scotland. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In the coming weeks we will explore Edinburgh City come rain or shine, the Royal Yacht Britannia. We will sample Scottish food, whisky and sweets, stunning Glencoe, the Isle of Mull and a hairy coup hunt, beautiful Oban and much more.